Hello everybody. I thought I'd make a short video on reasons why I think Proxmox is better than VMware. Firstly, it's the cost. Proxmox is free and open source with an optional paid support, while VMware or ESX has a workstation option which is free to use. But if you're going to use anything that requires higher features, or you'll end up paying for the license. Reason number two, there's no feature locking. So all the features that is found in the paid for version or the supported version of Proxmox is available in the free version or the unsupported version. So you'll have all the same features, while with VMware, there's various tiers for features, and each one of those features come with a licensing. The third reason is ease of use. In the case of Proxmox, both IFND is actually quite easy. But when it comes to the complexity that you find in vCenter, which is the high availability option, or rather the clusterable option of VMware, there is far more complexity than you'll find in Proxmox. So Proxmox makes the web interfaces intuitive. You'll be able to take advantage of all the features that's available. The fourth option is that Proxmox comes with built-in container support. Those are things like ESXi. Fifth reason is flexible storage option. So Proxmox supports natively Ceph, ZFS, NFS, iSCSI. VMware has fewer storage options out of the box, and advanced storage features often require vCenter license. Point number 6 is cluster management. Proxmox includes built-in cluster support for managing multiple nodes with features like live migration and high availability. VMware requires vCenter and often more costly licensing for similar clustering functionality. Point number 7 is regular updates and an active community. Proxmox has frequent updates and transparent development roadmap and a strong community. VMware has a slower release cycle and is more closed in terms of development. Point number 8, lower hardware requirements. Proxmox can run on very modest hardware and doesn't need a dedicated management appliance. VMware can be more resource heavy, especially with vCenter and add-ons. Point number 9, integrated backup and restore. Proxmox includes built-in backup scheduler and supports backup, restore of VMs and containers. VMware typically requires additional tools like Veeam or a paid backup solution. Then the final point, or point number 10, is Proxmox allows full access to the underlying Debian code operating system. Great for customization, automation, and integration. VMware is more of a black box and locks you into proprietary solutions and workflows. And yes, that is my 10 reasons why I think Proxmox is better than VMware. Thank you very much.